This is Noel by Chris Tomlin, Ed Cash, Lauren Daigle, Matt Redman. So beautiful. It's in the key of A. I'm going to teach it to you in the most simple way. Make sure to click on the description below, and I do have the printable chord sheet that you can follow along with me. All right, so let's take a look at the chords that are in the key of A. We have A, D, E, F sharp minor, and B minor. So don't let that scare you. Let's break it down into some simple shapes. Okay, we have an A chord, which is A, C sharp, E. And if you imagine that being a triangle, there's our triangle shape, okay? So that's A chord. Take that same shape in your hand, just jot it up here to the D chord, C, D. So we have a D, F sharp, A, making up our D chord, okay? Again, it's a triangle shape. Okay, move that shape up one position, and we have E. Now we have E major, which is E, G sharp, B. Again, it's a triangle. So if you can imagine this song having three triangles, we have A, D, E. All right, let's take a look at those two minor chords. We have F sharp minor, which if you tuck in here, I use fingers 1, 2, 5, and I'm going to play F sharp, A, C sharp. And if you can imagine this chord being an upside down triangle, that helps a little bit. Just tuck it in there. It's an upside down triangle, okay? And then our B minor is B, D, F sharp. This is the only kind of crazy chord. We have B, D, F sharp, and it kind of makes this curve line, okay? White, white, black. All right, so let's take a look at the left hand. We're going to be playing single notes. And so if you put pinky on A, this feels comfortable for me. You could do what is good for you. There's so much flexibility with chording. I'm going to put pinky on A, line up my 5 fingers, and then I don't really have to move this hand the whole song. The only thing I'm going to do here, and I'll show you, is F sharp. I'm going to play with the F sharp minor, okay? And if that feels crazy for you, do something else that feels more comfortable for you. Because in the chorus, I am going to come down and play my A chord down here, so I don't really want to move my left hand any more than right here. That's just me. All right, so we have F sharp minor with F sharp chord. Sorry, F sharp minor chord. Okay. Then we're going to play D, D single note, B minor, B minor, B note down here. And then our A, we're going to play A single note. And then when we play that E, I'm going to play E single note down here. Okay. Okay, let's figure out how the two hands are going to come together. It is quite simple. We're going to do this rhythm called together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right. So it could look like this in verse 1. We have that F sharp minor, and notice the verse 1 and 2 are the exact same, so there's nothing new there. Okay, so F sharp minor, we're going to go like this. Starring angels gave the sign. See that nice marching rhythm? Bow to babe on bended knee, the Savior of humanity. Okay, we're going to move to the D chord. And then we just go like that into that position, okay? Unto us a child is born. Okay, we're going to play that B minor. Here we go. B here. He shall reign forevermore. No. Into that chorus, I'm just going to get my A here. Well, no. Gonna have to scoot up to this F sharp minor. L, D. Come and see what God has done. A chord. And Noel, no. F sharp minor. Well, the D. Story of amazing love. A chord. The light of the world. E. Given for us. B minor. This is that curve line. then we back up into verse 2, okay? Son of God and Son of Man, there before the world began, born to suffer, born to save, born to raise us from the grave. D coming up, and Christ is going to be D. Christ the everlasting Lord, B minor. He shall reign forevermore. No, back to that A. Well, no, F sharp minor. Well, D, come and see what God has done. A, stay on that A. Noel, no, F sharp minor. Well, the D, story of amazing love. A, the light of your world given for us. B minor. Noel. All right, I'm going to play it beginning to end. You can go back to the beginning if you need a little help. Here we go. Love incarnate, love divine, stars and angels gave the sign. Bow to babe on bended knee, the Savior of humanity. Unto us a child is born, he shall reign forevermore. Noel, Noel, and come and see what God has done. And Noel, Noel, the story of amazing love, the light of the world given for us. Noel, Son of God and Son of Man, there before the world began, born to suffer, born to save, born to raise us from the grave. Christ the everlasting Lord,